Hello everyone, this is my new series of video lectures on Python programming for class 11 students. I hope it will give you better understanding. My AI assistants Alpha and Omega will help me in this session. So what are arithmetic operators?
Arithmetic operators in Python are used to perform mathematical operations on numeric values. These operators include addition, plus, subtraction, multiplication, division, slash, modulus, percent, exponentiation, and floor division, slash slash. Here's a brief explanation of each. 1. Addition, plus adds two operands. 2. Subtraction, subtracts the right operand from the left operand. 3. Multiplication, asterisk multiplies two operands. 4. Division, slash divides the left operand by the right operand, resulting in a floating point number. 5. Modulus, percent returns the remainder of the division of the left operand by the right operand. 6. Exponentiation, raises the left operand to the power of the right operand. 7. Floor division, slash slash divides the left operand by the right operand and returns the largest integer less than or equal to the result.
Okay, so let's get a brief explanation for each of them. So first is 15 plus 4, it will give you 19. It's very simple. Second is 15 minus 4. It will give you 11. Next is 15 multiplied by 4, which will give you 60. Next is 15 divided by 4. Now 15 divided by 4, remember this division, in case the result is, it's always give the result in fraction. Even if the decimal part, if it is fully divisible, still it will give a decimal value, which will be 0. Now in this case, it is 3.75. Next is 15 floor division 4. So basically this division give you only the integral part of the division and will not give you the fraction part. Okay, so if you are interested only this part, okay, so you are using the floor division. And finally, this is the 15 mod 4 modulus 4, which gives the remainder. So you can see 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 15 minus 12 is 3. So this is the remainder. And 15 to the power of 2, it will give you 225. So important ones are this one and this one, which give you two different results. Let me show you. If you do it here, print, for example, 15 divided by 3, and same thing you write 15 floor division 3. So if you run this code, what exactly you will get? See, 15 divided by 3, normally we tell it's 5 is the question, but in this case, it's 5.0, and 15 divided by floor division 3 will give you 5. So this decimal part, which is coming here, we have to take care. Okay. So this is the uh, brief understanding of each of the operators, and this is remainder, and this is and remainder. I would like you to understand one thing. Like if you are doing remainder of something like print, like this is anything like 31 mod 4. So, if you divide 31, so 7, 4, 28. So it is the remainder should be 3, right? So it's 3. But let's see a case if you are writing a 4 mod 31. So what will be the remainder? So one thing you always remember, in case this numerator, okay, is a smaller value than the denominator, in this case, divisor. So you will be getting the numerator itself as the result. So in this case, it will be 4. Okay, so you're getting 4. So this is also a part of understanding which is required. So till the time it is below 31, it's there. So the moment it is 31, then you will be getting a number which is 0. And thereafter, so on the normal way. But till the time a number is smaller than, for example, 29, so 29 will be the remainder. I hope this is clear. Now, the next thing, which will be the precedence in the arithmetic expression. So, I would like Omega to explain you this topic of uh, precedence in arithmetic operations.
Hello, I am Omega. I will explain you precedence in arithmetic expression. Precedence defines the priority of operators in an expression. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before operators with lower precedence. Python follows the standard mathematical precedence rules. Here's a common mnemonic to remember the order: PEMDAS, parentheses, exponentiation, multiplication, asterisk, division, slash, modulus, percent, and floor division, slash slash, addition, plus, and subtraction.
Thank you, Omega. Now, this precedence in arithmetic expression, as we have done earlier in our junior classes, how to solve mathematical expressions. So, always the parentheses, the brackets, they have a higher priority. Then we go for the exponent to the power. Then multiplication, division, modulus, and floor division, they have the same priority. Okay. But we will see they are from left to right. That we'll discuss. And then addition and subtraction. Okay. So let's see some examples. Now, I will explain you how these results are coming one by one. So let me take the results which we are doing. So let me start with the first one. So if you look at the first one, what we can see is here a 5 plus 3 into 2. So as per the precedence rules, multiplication will take the higher precedence. So it will be 5 plus 6, which will be at the next stage, it will be 11. Right. Now we come to the next one, which is 10 divided by 2 plus 3. Remember, 10 divided by 2 will give you 5.0, as we have already understood just now, and then plus 3. So it will be 8.0. Next is our this one. So here again you see we have 8 minus 4 divided by 2. But again the rule says first is division. So it will be 4 divided by 2 is 2.0. Okay, and remember this 2.0 when you do, and remember if one of the value is a float value, decimal value, the result will be also in decimal value. So it will be 6.0. Now, the last one, here we are getting 2 to the power of 3, then modulus 3. So 2 to the power of 3 will be 8. Okay. So power will be done first, and modulus 3. So 3 to the 6, so the remainder will be 2. Okay. So this time, as all the values are integer and no such operation which will give you decimal, so result will be 2. So it's let's run the code and check whether the output is coming. Oh, output you will get only when you are printing it. Okay. We put the print statement everywhere. Okay. This is one print. This is one print. The print, and then this is. So let me run it. So the results you see, we have got 11, 8.0, 6.0, and 2. Okay. So I hope you understood how the precedence is considered in doing the mathematical operations. So it's more or less the maths we have understood in our junior classes. Same way it works. Okay, except some division where you have to take care of the decimal. So this is about the examples of precedence, and I hope you understood how the results have come. Now, the next topic is associativity in arithmetic expression. Okay. For this associativity, I will ask my assistant Alpha to explain you this.
Now I will explain you associativity in arithmetic expression. Associativity comes into play when dealing with operators of the same precedence level. It determines the direction, left to right or right to left, in which the expression is evaluated. Almost all operators in Python are left associative. This means for expressions like 2*3/4, it's evaluated as 2*3/4, not 2*3/4. The only exception is the exponentiation operator, which is right associative. So 232 is evaluated as 232, which is 2 raised to the power of 9, 3 squared. Parentheses have the highest precedence. In the expression, 2 plus 3, asterisk 4, the addition happens first within the parentheses, resulting in 20.
Thank you, Alpha. Now you can see most of the operator plus multiplication, division, and all this, which are of the same priority, they basically evaluated from left to right, except one exception, which is to the power. So here 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. So we will evaluate not 2 to the power 3 first, but 3 to the power 2, which is 9. Okay, so it is 2 to the power 9, okay, which is 512. And obviously things will change in the, even if when we have a parenthesis, we know the parentheses are evaluated first. So in this case, like 2 plus 3 will be evaluated first. So the result will be 2, 5 into 4, which is 20. Now, we have few examples of associativity. So let me explain you how these results have come. I have kept it's ready here. So let me. So first one, you say it here, it's 9 minus. So it's minus is there. So obviously we use left to right. So it is 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. Now the next one, if you do it here, which is 8 divided by 2, which is 4.0 divided by 2, again, which is will be equal to 2.0. Now the one which we have discussed is the exponent to the power. Here we do it slightly differently. We will not do left to right, but right to left, this way. So the result will be, so this will be 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. Okay, which will be further, we know it's 5 and 2 is the answer. Last, in this case, we have two operations which are of same priority, which is addition and subtraction, but multiplication is of a higher precedence. So first we do the multiplication, which is 6 minus 1. And now we have come to a stage where we will use the associativity, which means left to right. So it is 11 minus 1, which is equal to 10. Now let's verify our result by writing print result. So we are going to check the results now. This, and this. Okay. So let me run it. So we are getting the first one 5, second one 2.0, then 512, this one, and last one is 10. So I hope you understood how this associativity works in this case, right? Okay. So after knowing the two things about the operators, precedent, and associativity, now we have come to the stage where we can evaluate the expressions. Okay. So we have 4 expressions are there. So I will make you understand how to evaluate each one of them. So mostly in board and school exams, also this type of question comes. So let me take, copying all the expressions. Okay. Do one at a time. So So here, let's see our okay, let me do the expression. So expression is this one. So let's see how this is there. So in this case, see, obviously exponent is there. So exponent is higher priority. So it will be 2 to the power of 3, that means 8. Plus, we can do it in same step as we have already done the first step. So we are doing the second one, which is 99 divided by 11 is 9.0. Now next is 3 minus. Now we can write this thing just 2 to the power of 8. Okay. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 16 into 16, which is 256 plus 9.0. Now we will follow the rules of associativity, which is left to right. So it will be minus 253 plus 9.0. So when we look at minus 253 plus 9.0, so it will be minus 244. Obviously, as the one of the values float, so the result will come in the float. So this is the thing. So let's see, we write print x and let's see what our result comes in this case. So the result has come to minus 244. So this is what we have. Evaluation we have seen. So it's correct. Next is this one. So next is this one. So let me copy this one now here. Okay. Now here, now the question is which one to do first. We have multiplication, row division, which are of same priority. So we will follow the associativity rule. So which says we will do left to right. So it's 25 and 4 floor division. So obviously it's 0 point something. So the integer part is because 4 is lesser than that. So you will get decimal, but so it's 0 0.50. So this one now 15, and now again it is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is basically 4.5, but we are going to take only the 4 and then plus 10. Now we have come to a stage where we can, so 15 and 25 and 15 is 40 minus 4 plus 10. Now we can do this is 36 plus 10, which is equal to 46. So our answer should be at this stage should be 46. So let's run the code and see whether the answer is 46. So answer is 46. And I hope you understood what is the process of getting 46. Right. Okay. Next is the third one, which is this one. So for third one, we are writing it here. Now, in this case of third one, I can see there is a parenthesis or bracket. So always we solve the bracket first. So 15 minus, this is 2 plus 7 is 9. So 9 into 5 plus, now if we wish we can do this part, which is 3. And this is, oh, to the power 2. So remember, this is not twice. Okay. 3 to the power 2 is 9 multiplied by 6. Okay. Minus 4 plus 2. Now we can do the multiplication things first. So 15 minus 45 plus 54 minus 4 plus 2. Now we have got things which are there. So here minus 45 and 15. So it is minus 30. Then we have got 54 minus. We can do this thing. We can do left right also. We can some of the values we can do it together. Like I'm doing it 50 and plus 2. Now we come to the minus 30 plus 50 is obviously 20 plus 2, which is So if we print the Z, we should get the value 22. So let's run it and see what the value is, 22 or not. So this is 22. I hope you understood this part. And now the final one, which is this one, the final one. So here also brackets are there. So we will follow the brackets first. We'll evaluate the bracket first. 25, 6 minus 4 is 2 multiplied by 2, and plus 4, 3 into 4, okay, and minus 1. Now, obviously, we do the multiplications, and so this is 4 plus. Now, here, which order? Here, they are of same priority, so we do left to right. So 4 divided by 3 is 1 point something, so we will write 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is there, and minus 1. And finally, this is 25. So 1 into 4 is 25 plus 4 is 29 plus 4 minus 1, which is basically 33 minus 1, which is equal to 22. Okay. So the answer, if we print W, which is should be 32. Let's run it. The answer is 32. Okay. So we have solved all the 4. So you can see this is the answer: minus 244, 46, 22, 32. You can pause the video and see the way I have solved this.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope it has given you better understanding of the topic. For more videos on Python programming, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.